Hey everyone, Gil here at Camppatton Family Compound. Well, it's time to do a little harvesting here. Got just a few ripe tomatoes here to harvest. So, and then I got a whole bunch of other stuff in the back, so I'm going to get out of here. But hang on a second. I had to put the camera on the table here so I could actually harvest the fruit here. Some nice tomatoes here. Yeah. Good bottoms too, no blossom end rot. This one has a little bit of blossom end rot, but I can still use the top of it. Ooh, another little good one. That's going to wind up on a bacon, tomato, and cheese sandwich. Oh, that one just broke off perfectly. That one feels, that one I missed a couple days ago. Should have gotten that one already. Okay, no more down in there. Oh, over on the far side here. Oh, got a green one that something knocked off. That's a nice big one. Oh yeah. Got so many in here, I'm gonna have to take them over to my daughter. Let's look at some of these other ones here, see what I can find down here. Another one. Oh man. A lot in here. Yeah. Lesson learned here. Once it warms up, I'm gonna have to spread these out. I had them close together to protect them from the, we were still getting some little frosts and stuff, so, but yeah, let me go around the other side here. Let's see what we got here. Oh, it's starting to rain. I'm gonna head in. Yeah. Woo. You can see it already coming down over there against the door of the shop. And I'm not sure if you can see me with the truss, but you can see the ground there. It's coming down. It wasn't supposed to do that. So I got those tomatoes, and unfortunately I wasn't able to start on the cherry tomatoes. I'll probably fill up this much on the cherry tomatoes tomorrow, but I'm not going to be worrying about it right now unless the rain suddenly stops as fast as it came. Alrighty, so I'll pick this up tomorrow and we'll continue on then. Alright, change of plans. The rain's really coming down, but since I got a couple good tomatoes here, I'm going to make myself a sandwich. So I'm going to do the tomato. I got the pre-cooked bacon crumbles from Costco, got my best foods, and I got my sliced Tillamook cheese. And I'm going to make myself a sandwich here. Alright, so first thing I do is just cut around the top here to get the stem here out, without wasting a lot and leaving chunks in there I don't want. And there we go. Got a knife, another knife. Gonna put my mayonnaise on my bread. A little bit on the one side and a bit more on the other side. One side I'm putting just a little on is where the tomato's going to go, and I don't want, with all the juice in the tomatoes, I put too much mayonnaise on it, makes a little bit of a mess. So got a little bit of chunk of the stem in here. There. Just around in here. There we go. Bacon on here. Spread it out so it's kind of even. Oh, rain's real. I don't know if you can hear that, but the rain's really just started coming down. There. this does make a mess. Paper towel set up here first for it. It likes to juice all over the place. All right, here we have it. Bacon, tomato, and cheese. Good. So, tip this up here. So everyone, stay happy no matter what life gives you. Be safe, don't do anything stupid or foolish. Stay prepared. Plant something if you can because, hey, fresh tomatoes are great. See you in the next video.